Today we're going to be making a coil pot or a coil cup. Before we get started with our project, let's first take a look and see what coil pottery is all about. Coil pottery has been around since ancient times, and making clay pots using coils, which are long looking like rope or cord patterns, is one of the most common techniques to create pottery, sculptures, and reliefs. One of the great things about working with coils is that they are very flexible. You can shape and mold them in different ways to create a desired pattern or design. Here are some examples as to how you can work with the coils. Once a coil pot is complete, it is then fired up into high temperatures in a special oven called a kiln. Also, professional potters and sculptors normally use earth clay, which can be found in wet areas such as rivers and streams, or wherever the earth's surface was once flooded, in which natural elements and minerals from the earth are compiled into the soil over many, many years. So this type of clay can be used for everyday use or utilitarian purposes, such as to store food, for cooking, or even drinking out of. The clay we are using today, however, is only for decoration purposes. So make sure you don't put anything edible or drinkable in your pot.